What is going on, guys? Stefan, S&E's Garage. Today we're going to be working on the GSF, and we are going to be installing our brand new TOMS Racing carbon fiber front lip. And this thing is just beautiful. I am super excited to go ahead and get this thing installed because we had actually ordered a novel, however you pronounce it, lip for this thing, and it came in and I wasn't happy with it. It had some blemishes on it. So we actually decided when we were returning that we were going to upgrade to the TOMS, and it was back ordered. So I've had this ordered since early December, and we're now in almost the middle of February. So let's get the quick jacks under the car, let's get it up, and let's see exactly what we have to do here to install it. So for those of you that don't know, TOMS Racing is a Japanese company, and as such, all of the directions are in Japanese. So we took the liberty of using Google Translator, and we translated all of this to English. So I'm going to drop them in the video right now, and we're going to go ahead and start with step one. So we are going to go ahead, we're going to remove this guy here. We're going to remove the one on the other side. And then we are going to remove all of these, what they call genuine mounting locations. So we're going to go ahead, they're just 10 millimeters. We're going to zip them off. And then we're going to set this aside because it says to reinstall them. So we're just going to go ahead and do that really quick off camera, and we'll be back with you. So your next step here is going to be to temporarily install the diffuser using these two bolts. And it appears that these pieces are not going to be reused because there's a little diffuser part built into this, obviously, because it is a diffuser. But you'll see that everything here is actually lining up really nice. And if we come up top, you'll see just how nice this is actually going to look. So what they want you to do for these holes here is they want you to put a drill in there and drill through your plastic, through the bumper. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install all of the factory hardware first. And then we're going to see just how this is sitting and if we have to adjust it. And then if we do have to adjust it, we will once we get to that point. This is quite possibly one of the easiest videos we've ever done here on the channel, but we're almost we're almost done with this. What I have to do now is I have to get a little drill bit, and I have to drill little pilot holes in all of these. So one in here, all the way around. And then in the box that the diffuser came with, there is an assortment of screws. They are right here. There's going to be two longer screws. One of them is going to go here, and the other one is going to go here. And then all of the rest of them go under the bumper all around the perimeter. All right, guys, we got the car back down on the ground, and I do have to say this was probably one of the easiest and fastest videos that we've ever done here on S&E's Garage, but it also yields the best results. Now, I didn't want to slam this car. I like the way the wheel gap is. I still have decent wheel gap, front and rear. I still have decent suspension travel. The car still rides nice, but I did want it to look or appear to be a little bit lower. And this lip kit will basically do just that. It makes the front of the bumper about an inch lower. It's 25 millimeters. It ends up being like 0.8 or 0.9 inches. So it actually, it makes the car look a lot better. Now, in the future, we are going to be doing the TOMS side skirts and the TOMS rear diffuser, but with them being about $2,000 each. That's another $4,000 in ground effects that I just don't have right now because we have some other things going on that we're going to be excited to show you that aren't related to cars. But with that being said, please like, share, and subscribe. If you want to see more GSF content, or if you want to see more Coyote Mustang content, because we do have some other things going on with this soon. But with that being said, please like, share, and subscribe. You guys liking, sharing, and subscribing this to my content and this channel makes us be able to create more content for you. So we appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.